come for 80 Shades of Grey.
But there are only 50.
I know, but we can do more.
Right?
Hello. My name is Babe. Fucking Babe.
Hey, calm down.
Okay, I calm down.
Listen, I'm married.
Okay, and I am horny.
Listen, can I help you?
Yes?
What do you need?
Yes. I want contract, like 50 Shades of Grey.
Sex contract?
Yes, sex contract.
Għas-signori 50 Shades of Grey għamlu kontrat biex ikunu jistaw tul xurxin, insomma. U ta' ċinizi kif jistaw fil-Maltin biex għamlu kontratti.
No! I do not come from China, I come from Pakistan.
Pakistan?
Yes? It's a place like Malta.
With the sun and the island with the sea.
And people fuck you all the time.
Mela zaħt bħal Malta ħanakli. Isma, I cannot start, because I have a wife, ta'
It's okay, get her too, we do triangle. We can do the pyramid.
No,
Can
thank
you
you.
do the...
No, thank you.
So, come on.
No, thank you.
Come on.
No, thank you. Please don't push it there.
Come on.
No! No!
It's okay. You don't need to shout, okay? Just tell me no, and I go. Nobody has ever told me no. Okay, I come down, huh? You like it when I come down, huh?
Listen, let me explain this to you. I'm in love with another woman,
It's okay.
you know.
Love her, sex me, no problem.
Get the contract, all right?
Okay.
I'll see it and you decide afterwards.
Okay. It's very simple, straightforward contract.
1 page.
Maybe a bit more. It's big, huh?
It's big, yes.
I know, I like big things.
Contract to have sex with Fu King Babe
That is me.
and Mr. Grey.
Oh, sorry, because before Lawrence Gray, he's too small. So maybe I change Daniel Gray,
Kirkop. Oui.
Jacob Gray,
During sex, Mr. Kirkop Grey
Gray.
allows the use of mela nistgħu nużaw waqt is-sess I'm translating to Maltese.
Very strange language.
Yeah, only 400,000 people speak Maltese u nofshom ifottu imma insomma. Mela I read here.
And I listen.
Mr. Grey allows the use of the Luqa Love Rocket during sex. X'inhu dan Luqa Love Rocket? What's that?
And you know what I like?
What do you like?
That at night you can still see
Ara kemm komdu! Anka tmur barbecue fis-sajf. Lilu! U jekk tinżaċ ċarka u tajt użżob tinżid iċ-ċarka. No, I cannot use this videos, you know.
okay, maybe
Something mild there.
something milder. Like the nipple clamp?
Nipple clamp.
Yes. It is very easy. You attach it to the nipples, but before you test to see which one is positive and negative.
With the tongue.
Yes, with the tongue, like battery.
Yes. Not me there.
Okay, now
Isma, I'm very there.
take off your shirt.
No, no.
No, it's okay. Come on.
I'm afraid.
It's okay. I'm experienced.
No.
Okay, maybe we do it on the shirt.
Yes.
First time.
Yes, I'm nervous, eh?
Whoa.
Yeah.
You know, sometimes I say joke to relax the customer.
Better, no? Because I'm
You know what the right nipple said to the left nipple?
No.
Hello? My best friend.
So this should be fun.
Yes, now we will pass a low current of 456.7 volts, which will slowly electrify your nipples.
Why?
It's pleasure.
No, it's not pleasure, it's pain.
Okay, maybe you prefer the pulling
No,
effect?
kollegu, daw xaffariet huma, tixxukja l-nipliet taqlaqhom li barra. Aħna fi żmien, ux vera, biex konna nirtafgħu taħt xi ċint biex nagħdu pjaċir u noqogħdu nintredaw. Dak il-pjaċir tagħna. Who can enjoy this thing, Heidi? Who?
Me? Sometimes I park the car badly, then the warden comes and he tells me, look, this is clumping zone. I know. I'm ready.
Hey, forget about this. Hey, what is this?
Okay. That is the wireless fun.
Wireless fan.
Wireless fun.
What do you do?
It is basically, there are two objects. One is the remote control in your hand.
Right?
Then the other part, which shakes, is attached to my vertical smile.
What is a vertical smile?
It is,
I know what's a vertical smile. So I press.
yes.
All right. One to be ready, to be this, to be steady. Go.
Maybe it's the Wi-Fi.
One, two. Maybe the batteries.
No, it works on solar power. I even get the government rebate.
Mela, minn jaf kemm jara lek xemx hemm isfel. Biex jibqu xamxin ma nfhmx.
Okay, I'm terribly sorry. I know what I did wrong. Oops. Okay. Here we go. Because I made mistake. I put shaker in your hands and the other one in the way.
Ja nittira, ja. I press mela, ejja.
Okay.
Sorry, I don't like these things.
No, please. I'm such a lonely girl. Nobody loves me. You know, I'm gonna miss the love rocket. Maybe one of the ladies can have it. What's that? Lady, you want the love rocket? Yes? It is very good. Let me explain before. Because, you know, with this one, what is the name of the husband? David. David can only do the driller. This one, it goes round, big pleasure, goes round. And that one has cooling down period. This one, no!